E poi comincia a lavorare il corrente. Non riuscivo a capire perché lo facciamo su normalmente si devono utilizzare
autoglass demo. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait till the other three fans is done blowing out because it's gonna cause movement. I'm gonna fill up that autoglass see how good that engine is balanced because of those shafts running in the lower part. Ja. Dat was goed is so you can see the surface completely smooth, but you need to fill it a little more if you want to. Completely smooth. If you want, you can hit the pedal. There's not a single drop spilled. You can still drink it if you want to. Okay.